My management approach at Bajaj has been driven by my two passions for homeopathy and for yoga. So I am going to really go out on a limb here and talk to you about principles I learned that have helped me do my job better. We made a lot of scooters at one time, but our R&D was a big zero. The answer to not having an R&D doesn't mean you go and sell something cheap. The answer to not having an R&D is not to go and engage a consultant. The answer to not having an R&D is to develop your own capability. So individualization, holism and vitality are the three fundamental principles that guide ideation at our company. In terms of execution, because ideas have to be executed. It's a principle of homeopathy that like cures like. Opposites don't cure, like cures like. Bajaj Auto, for example, could never export. Till 12-13 years back, if you look at our balance sheet, you will see our exports were zero. Today, as I said earlier, the sun doesn't set on an Indian motorcycle because we export from everywhere from Japan to the West Coast. This happened because we sought to follow the principle of like cures like. First we went to neighboring markets, from there we went to a little more challenging market, etc. And using this approach, we brought ourselves to a position where we can be a global maker. When I had hurt my back and Guruji Iyengar in Pune told me to stand on my head, in other words, Sirsasana. But he told me, in one asana you should find all the asanas. You can stand on your head, which is an inverted pose, you can stretch your legs forward, you can stretch them sideways, you can twist them, you can bend them. You can see that in one thing there is everything. To me, the Pulsar motorcycle was an example of one thing being everything. Because through the Pulsar, we changed everything in the company. The R&D skills, the engineering skills, the production skills, the cost structure, the marketing, the sales, the distribution, the service standards, everything changed. So CEOs are sometimes notorious about, they go to a new conference every week and come back with a new idea and confuse people every week with that. You have to stay with one thing. But you don't have to feel insecure कि one thing ही करेगा तो क्या होगा? अरे वो one thing में सब कुछ होना चाहिए. In homeopathy, it is called all the locals must be present in that global, and the global must be present in all the locals. This is very important, I think, for good implementation. If the solution, if the idea is right, it will go like a hot knife through butter. Even if you give a small dose, if your idea is not working, i.e., for example, demonetization, don't blame execution. That means your idea itself is wrong. So, in the same way, for example, when we set up our new plants in the last 10 years in Uttarakhand and in Maharashtra, our thought was that girls should work on the assembly line. Now for you, this may not be a radical concept, but in the auto industry, it's a pretty radical concept. We started 10 years back, and today I'm proud to tell you, last month when Bajaj rolled out its biggest motorcycle ever, a 400cc Dominar, it was rolled off a assembly line that was manned only by girls. So it's an all-girl assembly line that made that. So if the idea is good, it works. And finally, potentize repetition. Every time you must, raise the bar a little bit. You see a whole range of pulsars there, from the very first one to the last one. So it's not that you get from one level to the next level in one jump. Everybody knows Rome is not built in a day. We must take those measured steps. As you have done so successfully over the last 20 years, you have taken India to the world like that. We are also trying to do it in our own way.